Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if the recipient hasn't yet signed up with Zelle, you have the option to cancel a payment. Now you can access your activity page within the Zelle interface, which is available through either your mobile banking app or the dedicated Zelle app. Now from there, you can select the specific payment you wish to cancel and then choose the option that says cancel this payment option. Now, however, if your recipient has already enrolled with Zelle, the funds are promptly transferred to their bank account upon initiation, making it impossible to cancel the transaction. Now, once the transfer has been completed, it cannot be reversed. And that's about it. So fortunately, this is the only way that we can do this, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.